Welcome to this final video on the series of augmented reality filters with Lens Studio. So I think now we are ready for production. So we'll just check the final details, prepare the project, and upload it to Snapchat for production. So as you see at this time, at this point, we've done the integration of your 3D dress assets and map it with human body. We've added the makeup, we've added some face paint, we've added some 3D object around the character, and we've also added music and interactions. So now I think that we are ready. So what we'll be doing now is go to the project info and complete the information before we will be able to proceed with the submission of the lens. So you will need to find a lens name. So I'm going to call it the Galaxy Jumpsuit. Galaxy Jumpsuit. Okay. Now, from this, you can choose an int. An int is what the person can do. And if your augmented reality filter reacts to what kind of event. So basically, you can ask the person to smile, because if it's smiling, it's going to make appearing of Sputnik. You can say if it's for mobile, for web, if it's working only for front camera, rear camera. So this is basically, you can leave it as it is because it's good. And you will need to add a preview. A preview is a video, a small video that shows what your filter is doing exactly. So for creating a preview, you have two options: to record yourself a preview video, or to use some template videos that we have like on the right here on the screen, and to define it as the preview. So we will use a preview video and we will define it as the lens preview. After that, we'll just need to set up an icon. So you have different videos that you can use. I'm going to pick this one just as a sample so that people will be able to see that we have this makeup and the dress. And they will discover after that that you have the planet and you have much more than this. So I will apply this video, and now you will need an icon, but you can leave it like this. But I really recommend you to create a specific icon for that. You can use ChatGPT if you want for this this kind of icon or this small image that you want to generate. I will leave it like this, but please update it, because otherwise Lens Studio will tell you that it's the default icon image and that you will need to modify it later. Okay, so I'm going to apply it. And now that it's done, I can directly publish the lens. So I'm clicking on publishing my lens. If you have not already the account, it will ask you to log in to your account, but then you can do it. Otherwise, it's exporting your lens. It takes a small amount of time. The validation time for your lens, once it's uploaded correctly, is varying depending on different factors, but most of time the length is approved in a few hours, I will say. So in the worst situation, it will be 1 day, 2 days, 3 days maybe, but in the best cases, you can have it in 2-3 hours. So that's very good news. The Galaxy jumpsuits here, I can just decide about the folders you are using in order to upload your different creations. So you can create different folders if you have different thematic of augmented reality filters, and then you can submit your lens. You have a new form to fill in, which will be able to define the categories. So the primary category will try to find something that matches quite good with what we've done. Fashion, it's clothing, of course. Primary category is clothing. And the second one may be appearance, because you are also improving the appearance of the person with the face mask and all of these things. You can add different tags. So this is up to you. If I want to add the galaxy, the jumpsuit, maybe I want to add that it's, let's say, digital try-on. Okay, try-on. Maybe I can add some information about makeup. And yes, you can still add up to 8 keywords. I recommend you to use all of these keywords because it will enable the community to find your lens in different, using different search keywords. So at this time, let's keep it like this. The scan trigger, so it's basically the filter triggers on a person. It's made for a person. So we just pick a person. And from there, we are good. So normally we can publish it. We'll decide whether or not it should be directly public after validation. So we can say that let's make it public after validation, okay? And about the Lens Creator Reward program, it's something very special that I've not explained yet, but for now you can just leave it off. And then I'm publishing to Snapchat. It's telling you congratulations. So I'm telling you also congratulations because you have made your first augmented reality filter from your own made dress creation, adding in like a lot of environmental things and interactions with the main character of the filter. So I really hope that you are proud of you. I am proud of you. And thank you very much. You can leave your comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.